What's the mood for today? Dark or light? George, you just walked in the middle of the video. What's up, gorgeous cats? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. Black cats, if you will. We're still in spooky season. I used to love playing dress up when I was a kid, and of course now I love playing dress up even more. Take that as you will. But anyways, yeah, I'm just such a little angel in real life. I always do some version of an angel costume, so I'm gonna show you guys how I make those super easy DIY style, the dark version and the light versions. So let's go get angelic. Bada bing, bada spook. Decorated for Halloween, so freaking fun. But anyways, before we get started, we'll do an outfit of the day real quick. I didn't do an outfit of the day in my fairy video and y'all freaked out, so here's my outfit of the day for in my house. Yeah, I'm literally wearing a black tank top from H&M, black sweatpants from Old Navy, a thong from Savage X Fenty sticking out because the 90s are back, and yeah, that's my look. I'm literally not going anywhere. We're just sitting inside all day, but I would wear this out, so there you go. Jacuzzi already. Let's get started. So I think I'm going to show you my light angel costume version first. Are you ready for the video, baby? Yeah. Oh, I love you. Okay, so voila. So you need a base for your outfit. As you know, I love skimpy scampy things. So to be honest, I would basically pick my favorite white lingerie set. If you're not into that, there's obviously any level of coverage you want. You know, you can go with the slightly more conservative sexy look, the even more conservative sexy look, full coverage. This is all Savage X Fenty, by the way. But keeping on the lingerie train, but still a little less, you know, nude. You could do like a white corset and some white jeans, you know, a la Kylie Jenner this Halloween. That was fire. I loved that look. You could also just do a literal dress. This is like a white lacy dress that I have, super cute. So yeah, there's obviously various levels of coverage, but yes, that's what you want to start with is a base. Ho Nation, conservative. I know it's still a mini dress, but whatever. I'm only gonna be this young once. I gotta live it up. Woo! Work that booty, baby. So anyways, that's the base. You can see literally over here, I have the exact same thing, but dark mode, ta-da! Yeah, I got the lingerie sets. You could also go hella scampier. Love that. This is probably what I'm gonna use for my dark angel costume, so stay tuned. I don't really wanna get demonetized, so maybe I'll wear this. But yeah, you could also wear a full like catsuit bodysuit thing. You could just wear a little mini dress. You could go nude like George. You're naked all the time, honey. Do you know that? You're living the dream, baby. Okay, yeah, so that's that. By the way, this is another cool thing that I found. This is basically like a white feathery half a skirt is what I think it is. Which if you buy a couple of them, you can totally tie around your waist into a skirt. This is what I was wearing in my TikTok video. Yes, that one, the one that took me 400 years, but it did get over 1 million views, so it was worth it. Anything to entertain you guys. Okay, so yeah, that's another fun thing. Honestly, wow, look at that. You could even wear like a cute little tank top in this. That's so easy. This was $4 from H&M, so there you go, budget friendly. This is also from Amazon, by the way. I linked everything below if y'all want to shop any of the materials. So yeah, okay. So once you have the base you want to use, the next thing you got to do is the wings, because the wings are it. They will change the whole look. You can see I actually have two styles of wings right here. I've got these white wings that kind of flare upwards, and then I got these even bigger ones that are just bigger. Yeah, I get all these wings on Amazon, by the way. So wings are actually the only scenario in life where bigger is not always better. So this is what the large one looks like. And you can see we also got these wings, which are beautiful. These like stick straight up, so just depends what vibe you're into. But of course, we're not gonna leave them like this because this is basic and anyone else could show up in these wings too. We gotta make ours extra fabulous. So you guys might remember my wing tutorial from last year. Well, here's the hella sped up version.
So we're gonna go ahead and take the wing base, and then we're gonna take these fuzzy white ostrich feathers, and we're literally gonna just grab a trusty little hot glue gun and just going to straight up glue those right on to the wings with hot glue. Easy as that. Just kind of place them kind of cascading upwards. So they're gonna, you know, kind of look like that. Eventually they're going to start to cover the whole wings. You can see, ba-da-da-da. Go ahead and do the other side. Like I said, if you want to see like an actual in-depth tutorial, I have a whole ass video on just this. So you can check that out after this if you want. But eventually they're going to be all covered up and voila.
And ta-da! Eventually they're going to look like this. Oh my God. Gorgeous! Let's try them on. Like you can see the wings before here. Ta-da. And after Ta-da! They look like this. OMG. Unbelievable. It's easier for me to show them in this mirror, but you can see, oh my goodness, look at how thick and fluffy and fire they are. Wow. Nobody's gonna show up to the party looking better than you. You're gonna be the star. Unless, of course, someone else watches my DIY and makes the same wings, in which case, go both of you. You're gonna both win best dressed. Amazing! Wow. Now that's a look.
For the dark mode, slightly different, but same thing.
So these are the wings that I'm going to use for the Dark Angel costume. You can see they are black, very large. I got these on Amazon. I believe they were 50 something bucks. So I bought some long black feathers, ta-da, and we're basically just going to attach them on here and build off of them to create a more fabulous look. So we got that. We got our trusty little glue gun, some extra glue sticks. I actually got these at Daiso for $1. And we're gonna get started, so here we go.
So we're just going to take the black feathers and literally repeat the same process. Basically just kind of stick those in sneaky into kind of like a cascading downwards effect. Again, with the hot glue gun, just kind of one by one, sticking them in there, ba-da-da-da-da-da, till they kind of stick out like that. And eventually, ba-da-da-da, finish that up.
And ta-da! Eventually these are going to look like this. Oh my God, look at those. They're fantastic. Okay, let's put these on too. Oh my God! And when these are done, oh my God. These are awesome. The best fallen angel wings ever made. Wow, honestly, wear sweatpants and be a whole ass mood. But no, okay, so obviously, now that we got the wings all set up, time for the accessories. But first, I'm actually gonna do a little bonus costume in this vid for ya. P.S. So many of you guys asked about my devil costume, so I'm gonna include that in here too as a fun little bonus. So here is my DIY devil costume. George, step away from the pitchfork. So this is what I used for that. These are like little red demon wings, literally. So freaking cool. I loved these. Then I got a matching pitchfork. So fun. These devil horns are super cool. They're actually like, honey, please don't eat them. They honestly kind of look like they're floating on your head because of the invisible string. Super cool. I love these. They're really hefty too. So that's fun. And then I got a red wig. This is actually the red wig that I got in my wig haul last year. Such fun. Literally looked gorgeous. I linked some costume bases below, but again, you could do like red tights and a red bodysuit. You could do all red lingerie, like me. You could do a dress too, whatever you want, whatever floats your fancy. So if you're feeling a little more naughty than angelic, maybe the devil look is the one for you. You can be the little shopping devil on your shoulder that tells you to buy everything. So now that we got the wings and our base, it's time for the accessories because that's what really makes the outfit. Ta-da! Accessories are literally the best part of any outfit. You put all the fun jazz on there. So for accessories, you know, we do have a basic halo, but here's where you can get creative. So you can get like this really cool necklace thing that I got, very Victorian. This is gonna be so fun. We got some cool little wrist gloves. That's really gonna add to it. And then we pulled with the lace inspo. We got some lacy thigh-high stockings, a choker. This is what's gonna make it extra super fun. Like you'll see when it's all dressed up, that's the part that makes it super cool. So, are you guys ready? Fashion show. Oh, like, oh my God. You can see, obviously I wanted to keep this one a little bit, you know, more conservative, ish, but it's really hard for me to show you guys this whole outfit, but you can see it's so stinking cute. We got the little white lingerie, the skirt that I made, the wings. Oh my God, it's so cute. Of course, we got the little tights, of course, the lingerie underneath, but don't tell the people who decide whether this is appropriate for advertising or not. Shh. So now we're gonna do the Dark Angel because, oh, that one's so good. By the way, for shoes for both outfits, I would definitely wear a fuzzy heel that matches. I couldn't find my white ones or my black ones of this. I can only find the pink ones, but you know, match the feathery vibe.
So for the Dark Angel costume, we went ahead and put on all of our little accessories here, threw on the wings, even got it all matchy-match.
Oh my God, you guys, this one is so good.
See, it all together was so cute. We got the little lacy corset, we got a skirt, we got the tights. It's fire.
You can see the wings are just freaking fabulous. Oh my God, look at them. We got the lace Fenty corset. Boom, 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 boom. My God, literally fire. Na-na-na. Don't call me angel. Ba-na-na-na-na. Dark mode, light mode, what do you prefer? Both a bad bitch.
freaking nailed it.
I found my black fluffy heels, by the way, so this is what I would wear. Oh, so good. Oh, iconic. So there you have it, you guys. Those are my little DIY angel costumes. That's how I make them. Of course, if you want to see the more scantily clad versions, you know, the kind that I personally would wear out, you can peep those on my Instagram. This is the conservative version. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Happy Halloween. I wish you all the best on your crafting adventures. If you guys do any of my DIY costumes, please tag me. I love to see them. And on that note, I will see you guys very soon. Happy spooky season. Stay angelic. And always stay just a little bit naughty, but shh, don't tell ya I told ya. I love you guys. Kisses till next time. XO. Did it hurt when you fell from heaven? Of course not, I like pain. God, I really need to get out more.